Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to scrape any website with the AI agent without coding. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, to do the scraping website, we will use this BrowserAct, and you can start to open or access this BrowserAct into your Google Chrome. And here I prefer to open it into the desktop to get more spacious view and see more feature in it. And for the new user, don't worry because they will give you 500 credits over here and you can continue to start free trial. And this will bring you into this section. And since this is the indicator or the information that the credits left in my own account. And since we would like to create the AI agent to do the scraping website, you can continue to click agent over here, or you can simply click this create and click agent, or you can start to click the agent or create the agent by clicking this, and you can put the name. And for example, you would like to scrape the website that contains about the perfume. So you can give the name, the perfume agent in this section, and you don't have to put the description, but if you want to, then it is okay. And click create. And after that, it will bring you into this section. Into this section, you will have to put the instruction to your agent. For example, I will put the instruction like this. You are an expert agent in scraping. Use this browser control. How to add this browser control? It is very simple. You just need to put the slash and click this browser control. And after that, you can continue to add your request or instruction. Use this browse control to collect information from website based on user request. And after that, you can continue to click run over here. And you can start to let this AI or your agent to start off the conversation or request. And for example, I want this agent to help me to searching for the most popular perfume with the fluorescent from this website. And after that, this agent will take the time to generate everything step by step. And from each step, they will usually show you the website over here. For example, on the step 2, they will show you they're working to analyze or searching for my request in the previous question. And until the step 8, they will end up into this section and also give you the answer. So the most popular perfume with the fluorescent named at Dennis over here, and also give you the detail and also the link to visit. So this will be the AI agent of our own to help us to scrape the website. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this BrowserAct. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.